Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your hairbrush. Things I'm going to be using today to clean the hairbrush is this long tooth comb. Let me know in the comment section below, do you call this a rat tail comb or a long tooth comb? I never could figure out which one was the right word for it. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm also going to be using Dettol and this spray bottle in order to disinfect the brush. I'll show you how I mix that up as the video goes along. And lastly, I'm going to rinse it off with this. You can use product of your choice. As long as it foams, it will do the job. If you want to know how we got from this to this, then keep watching. So I've got my Felicia Leatherwood hairbrush here, and as we can see, it's got a lot of hair that's stuck in it since the last time we had a wash. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to remove it. So what you need to do is take your comb, use the long tail side of it. So literally you just slide it in and lift, and you'll see the hair comes out with ease. Instead of trying to pick it up from the bottom with your hands like this, it's easier to use this comb. So you just slide it under and lift. It comes out so easily. All out. Such a quick and easy way to do that. This kind of brush is a specialized brush. It has holes at the back, which even makes it easier for you to get the hair out as well, because you have the luxury of putting your brush in this way. That also separates the brush. That's a good thing about the Felicia Leatherwood brush. So now that all the hair is out, let's move on to washing the brush. So I've got my Dettol and spray bottle here. I'm just going to take a tiny cap of this and I'm going to pour it into the spray bottle and mix it with water. You don't need much at all. I'm only going to use this amount. Very, very tiny amount. Mixing Dettol with water is also a good household product. You can use the spray bottle to clean anywhere else in your house. So just put a little bit of water inside the bottle just to dilute it. Now that we have our solution ready, now we can use it to disinfect the brush. I'm just going to spray it all over. This will get rid of the bacteria and any kind of other debris that was from the last hair wash. Now that I have sprayed the brush, I'll just leave it to sit for about 2 minutes, and then I'll rinse it off just to give the disinfectant a chance to work. Hi guys, so I'm back. This is 2 minutes later. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to rinse off the brush, and then I'm going to use this to wash it, to give it a final rinse, to get rid of all the disinfecting. So I've just finished washing the brush now, and as you can see, it's very clean. All the germs are gone, all the grease and debris from the previous wash and the hair is gone. Nice and clean, job done. I'll be showing you some more household tips, hacks and trips. If you like what you saw today in this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, comment, like and share with your friends. I really do enjoy replying to your comments. Don't forget to check out my how-to playlist for more videos like this. Thank you very much guys. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.